Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up HCL Verse with SameTime. HCL Verse is a web-based, lightweight and easy to use interface. To make HCL Verse experience even better, we can integrate instant chat in HCL Verse. This integration allows a SameTime desktop user to log in into HCL Verse and then be automatically signed on to HCL SameTime for a chat. HCL Verse gives you intuitive, integrated access to HCL SameTime chat. You can message your colleague all with a click of a button from the HCL Verse interface. Before you begin, there are few points one should aware of. You must configure SameTime integration for Domino inodes. You must configure SSO, LTPA and synchronization between servers. HCL Verse should be configured before integration. This integration is very simple. Just add the parameter shown on the screen in nodes.ini file of the Domino server that hosts Verse. Then restart the HTTP task or a restart server. Basically, Verse uses Gatekeeper API GK calls for a SameTime integration. Here first INI parameter is about updating the SameTime proxy server. This sets SameTime proxy information in Verse configuration. Also second INI parameter VOP GK SameTime is used to enable Verse and SameTime integration. Regarding the VOP GK SameTime reach client equal to value, here value either 0 or 1. Value is 0 if you want user always to chat through the SameTime web client. Use value 1 if you want user to chat through the SameTime reach client when available, otherwise chat through a web client. If you enable reach client integration, user may get an security prompt to trust the SSL certificate if it is not an official one. Let's begin with the demo. First, I would like to introduce my test environment. Open admin client. Here the SameTime community server 11.0, proxy server and inode server running on a Linux environment. We have already set up inodes with SameTime. HCL Verse server configuration already completed and you can access it from the browser. mail.acme.com/verse. Hit enter. Enter username and password. Sign in. So this is Verse. Also we are able to access SameTime using web chat. Enter SameTime proxy server URL. We can able to access web chat using proxy URL. Let's start with setting up HCL Verse with SameTime. In Domino admin client, go to server tab, server console, live the server console. Add nodes.ini parameter using setconfig command. Here we add first parameter. Now add second nodes.ini parameter. Now add third nodes.ini parameter using setconfig command. Sent. Now restart server. So now my server is up and running. Access the HCL Verse login page using browser. Enter username and password. So with these configuration, you are done with the integration of Verse with SameTime. Using the Verse URL, when user access, you can see green dot on the circle that show the user successfully authenticated by the proxy server. You can see the picture showing the buddy list and the chat window via Verse. You can now chat with the other user. You can see the contact list is added to your SameTime buddy list. I hope this video demonstrates how to set up iNotes with SameTime. Thank you for watching this video.